yesterday, you were still at home with mommy and daddy. This time yesterday, I was just the boyfriend number one party. But today, today, I don't pay the price, king me. Just so you know, I promise to love only you till I lie. Just so you know, all the girls in my life, I'm telling them bye-bye. Uncle, daddy and mommy, brother, sister and auntie, both God has joined, no man can put us under. Hey. Today, you've become my wifey. Today, oh my baby lele. Today, we are one forever. Today. This time yesterday, I've been still day my bachelor's party. This time yesterday, you were just my girlfriend number one CC. But
marriage is ordained by God, and it is natural for a lady to get married when it's time for her to, when it's matured enough to get be married. And normally, Yoruba tradition, before you give your child away, you need to know the other family, other members of the other family. So that's where we do this traditional marriage before the actual church wedding, where both families come together to know each other. And normally the groom's family, because mine is the bride, they will come with their alaga duro or alaga joko. So after they will bring the groom in to come and prostrate to both families, to prostrate to the bride's family to introduce themselves, where the parents, the bride parents, will embrace and receive the groom as one of their newly born son. And later, there is a letter which the groom family will bring, what do you call it, to say, like a proposal that they want to marry your daughter or the bride. And there will be someone in the family to read the letter to the bride's family. Then there is this the brother family as well will have written a letter of acceptance, which they will give back as a response that they've accepted the groom to marry their daughter. So after then, the families will be introduced to each other. The bride, the groom family will introduce themselves first, then the bride, the wife's family will introduce themselves. Someone who stands as alaga duro will be doing all that, to be introducing one another.
mo máa dáríjì ní 70 tó kù ẹ dìde.